Hello everyone, my name is Jules. Welcome to Jules Food and Garden. Today I'll be making my version of fried chicken. Let's go! These are the ingredients that I'm going to be using to make my meal today. Thyme, onion, ginger, garlic, scallion, lime, all-purpose flour, coconut powder, almond milk, eggs, all-purpose seasoned salt, garlic powder, turmeric, onion powder, jerk season, paprika, black pepper, cayenne pepper, extra virgin olive oil, and for sure, the chicken. This is going to be the process of washing the chicken, cleaning the chicken. A lot of people tend to eliminate some of the step to clean the chicken, but I'm going to do the chicken today with the skin on it. And this portion is just for demonstration, not the one that I'm going to use today, because I already pre-seasoned the one for today. So now I'm just showing you how I go about cleaning my chicken. You can see that there are little feathers here, and this yellow thing, little extra skin, needs to be taken off. A lot of people season their chicken with this still on it. That's not good. That's dirty. That's supposed to be taken off. So, and the extra feathers, that also should be taken off. But before I go there, I'm gonna catch some water into the container and pour my vinegar and my lime to wash it. And this helps to take the raw taste and scent, and also the extra slime residue that's on it, you know, and so forth. This is leg and wings, and wings tend to have a lot of feathers, so I don't want to fry my chicken and see any feather looking at me. So you look at all these areas and make sure there is no extra feather. And for the leg, you're gonna take this yellow stuff off. Can be taken off. For all those who is not aware that it can be taken off, it can be, and it should be taken off, because it's extra stuff that's not needed to be eaten. Okay, if there are any extra fats, and the chicken, it can be cut off as well if you choose to do so. And like I said before, this is just a demonstration on how to clean your chicken. Make sure no feathers, make sure no extra fat, extra skin like this, all should be removed. Okay. And then drain the water off. Okay. This is clean, very clean chicken. No feathers and no extra fat nor skin. Well clean and smell good as well. Okay. It's not a lot of herbs. It's gonna be mostly powdered, seasoned than herbs. Just to show you what I do, how I season my chicken. So I'll just toss them in. The thyme, I'll just like this because scallion, and they all pre-wash, so no big here. And then my garlic, instead of cutting my garlic, I use the end of the knife and just press it. Okay, so just throw it in. And the ginger, I'm gonna use a piece of this. So you can grate it or, you know, mince it. You don't need a lot of ginger in this as well, so, you know, I'm just gonna, because it's not even gonna cook with it, it's just that we're trying to get all these flavor on the meat itself. So do this. Now with the pimento seed, I'm gonna just toss it in. That's it. Now, let me see this off. All these, I'm just gonna do a dash of all this the powdered season, because my recipe will be posted in my video. So just a dash of powdered season. Dash. Taking a little more time, but this is just the demonstration part, so that's why I'm just doing. Make sure all that, all this season that I'm not gonna put the turmeric nor the cayenne pepper in this. And that's gonna be going into the flour. So I'm gonna put a little dark seasoning in this. Use my hand and rub it in, rub the seasoning in. Rub it in. And then I'm going to place this in my fridge for overnight. So this is the one that I did for today. This is just the sample. What I used to demonstrate, but this is the actual thing that I did last night. So whatever I did in this bowl, that's what I did last night. This is step 2 of frying my chicken, of preparing my chicken to be fried. So I'm gonna break the egg in this container. I'm gonna pour my milk, and this milk is the coconut powder and the almond milk, and I'm gonna pour some of the liquid, the milk in the egg. So I'm gonna do that. I'm just gonna whip it around for a few seconds until it blend out together. I'm not going to dip it in the solution, the egg and the milk solution. I'm going to just pour it over it and then rub it in. I think this is okay now. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to pour the solution on top of my chicken. And remember, I said this is my version, so this is the way I'm doing it. People might have done it differently, but this is the way I'm doing it. My way. And I'm going to use my hand and kind of turn it over a little, that each side get portions of the liquid. And yep. Some people soaked it overnight in the egg solution, and the milk, but I seasoned my chicken already overnight, so I don't think that's important to do another. This is okay. So now this is my flour. All of the powdered season is in this bowl. I combine all of them, so now I'm going to just toss it into my flour. Start with the brown, mix it up. And I eliminate salt from my cooking today because majority of these things, seasoning, powdered seasoning, carry salt. Okay. Now this is ready. Okay. So now I'm gonna flour my chicken. So this. Important that it's floured properly because you're looking for that crispy finish. Some people put them in Ziploc bag and shake it, but I love to use my hand and do stuff. Well, the chicken is done coated, and now it's ready to be fried. So let's go. This the pot has been placed with the oil for a while, so it's hot. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to drop a Scotch Bonnet pepper in it, just to get the flavor. And remember, at all time, the chicken must be covered under the oil. So now I'm gonna move this over. I don't want my stove to be messed up. So I think the chicken should be hot by now. The oil is supposed to be hot by now. I'm gonna try this. I make sure I want it to be hot, at least 350 degrees. Now I'm gonna turn it down. Not enough. That's enough. Yep. So let me use my thing and shake it up a little. Let this one go under the oil. Okay. Okay. So this is the wings is gonna be in there last. I'm going to do the legs first. So the duration of this process is like 20 minutes. 10 minutes on one side and 10 on the other. And at first you want to go to a medium low because you want it to be cooked first. So what I do, I'm going to cover it a little that it can be cooked maybe about 5 minutes and then take it off that it can get its color. And golden brown is what I'm working towards. After 10 minutes, this is what it looks like. And now I'm going to turn it over to the next side. So looks very nice, very nice. And trust me, with this pepper to fry in the oil, it gives off a very nice scent, and also it's going to taste really well. So I turned them over for the next 10 minutes, then it should be ready. So now I'm going to kind of turn up the heat from medium low to medium high, because now I want it to catch a little bit more color, and it's already steamed because it was covered, and so it was already steamed. So now I can turn this up a little bit more to medium high, and next 10 minutes we should be ready with that portion. After 20 minutes, this is what my fried chicken looks like. Okay, take it out, spread it out and drain off. I'm going to put it in the drainer. Yep. Then I'm going to place the remainder in it in a few. Okay. Yep. This is the finished product of my version of fried chicken. Enjoy! Thank you for watching. Please like and share my video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. See you soon!